Good morning. It's going to be a warm day today, so let's talk a little bit about ICE. You know, we hear from the governor and Democratic mayors saying, why is ICE in Illinois when there's higher crime in other states? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Here's what it is. In the state of Wisconsin, for example, if you have an illegal that was found guilty of a serious felony, we're talking about murder, rape, assault, drug dealing, sex trafficking. When they're convicted, they go to prison. When they get ready to be released from prison, they contact the federal government, ICE, to say, we're releasing this convicted felon. Can you deport that individual? Makes sense. Why would you want a serious convicted felon back in your area? Illinois does just the opposite. So in Illinois, we've passed laws and the governor says we're not going to tell ICE anything. When these convicted felons get released, we're going to send them back into the neighborhoods and we're not going to tell ICE about it. Now, the question is, what possible reason would they have to say we don't want to deport illegal, serious felons? We're not talking about parking tickets, and we're not talking about traffic tickets. These are convicted felons that are being released from prison that we are secretly sending back to the neighborhoods. It makes absolutely no sense. And so, because the state of Illinois wants to protect the worst of the worst, the federal government says that cannot be allowed. We'll have to come in and find them ourselves. It's unfortunate. The solution would be very simple. If Illinois would just cooperate in releasing the information from the worst of the worst, ICE wouldn't have been here in the first place. So, anyone to blame? Talk to those who are passing these silly laws. Protecting the public ought to be our priority.